Whoa, that was my biggest sneasel yet. Okay. Bye, Mommy. Whoa, they're giant. Is that why they're called giant crayons? Whoa! Look, Esme. Look, Roy. I colored my monster flower orange.
It looks great, Snugs. But you're supposed to stay in...
Achoo! Whoa, now that was my biggest sneasel yet. I know. Ooh, gloopy juice. Can I have mine with a blue twisty straw? Actually, can I have an orange straw instead?
Snugs, you have to stay in...
Uh-huh. They keep getting bigger. Okay. It's so hard to stay in bed. All of them? Yay! Whoa, Pinksy has a very nice ship. Wow, his eyes are so googly. Is that why he's called the googly-eyed sea monster? I want to see the googly-eyed sea monster. Wowee! That was
your biggest sneasel yet?
But staying in bed isn't fun. I want to play with my monster sitters in color and see the googly-eyed sea monster.
Uh-oh. Monster meltdown.
Yeah. But I still don't want to stay in bed. I liked her ship and her first mate and the googly-eyed sea monster. Can we look for the googly-eyed sea monster? Sir Cuddle says he sees something. There's definitely something out there. Could it be? I'll do this. No one gives mightier hugs than Captain Snugs. Googly-eyed sea monster, would you like to come aboard our ship? That was so much fun! Oh, yeah. But I'd better keep playing in bed. Just in case.